Welcome, language learners. Are you ready to elevate your English and sound more articulate? In this video, we'll unlock 20 powerful words that will not only expand your vocabulary, but also boost your confidence in any conversation. Let's dive in. First up, confident, meaning feeling or showing confidence in oneself or one's abilities. For example, she felt confident about her presentation. Next, opportunity, set of circumstances that makes it possible to do something. For instance, this new job is a great opportunity for growth, improve, to make or become better. As in, we need to improve our communication skills. Challenge, a call to take part in a contest or competition, or to prove or justify something. Example, learning a new language can be a real challenge. To achieve, successfully bring about or reach a desired objective or result by effort, skill, or courage. For example, she worked hard to achieve her goals. Focus, the center of interest or activity. As in, it's important to focus on your studies. Success, the accomplishment of an aim or purpose. Example, hard work is key to achieving success. Eloquent, fluent, or persuasive in speaking or writing. For instance, her eloquent speech captivated the audience. Articulate, having or showing the ability to speak fluently and coherently, as in, he is very articulate when discussing complex topics. Persuade, induce someone to do something through reasoning or argument. Example, can you persuade him to join our team? Innovate, make changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas, or products. For instance, companies must innovate to stay competitive. Resilience, the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties. Toughness, as in, her resilience helped her overcome many obstacles. Endeavor, try hard to do or achieve something. Example, we endeavor to protect our planet. Meticulous, showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. For instance, the artist was meticulous in her work, profound, very great or intense, as in, his speech had a profound impact on the audience. Efficacious, effective in producing a desired or intended result. Example, the new medicine proved to be highly efficacious. Zenith, the time at which something is most powerful or successful. For instance, he reached the zenith of his career. Paradigm, a typical example or pattern of something. A model, as in, this discovery shifted the scientific paradigm. Ubiquitous, present, appearing, or found everywhere. Example, smartphones are now ubiquitous. Conundrum, a confusing and difficult problem or question. For instance, the economic situation presented a real conundrum. Ephemeral, lasting for a very short time. As in, the beauty of a sunset is often ephemeral. Serendipity, the occurrence and development of events by chance in a happy or beneficial way. Example, finding that old photo was pure serendipity. Benevolent, well-meaning, and kindly. For instance, a benevolent leader cares for their people. Magnanimous, generous, or forgiving, especially toward a rival or less powerful person. as in, the winner was magnanimous in victory, sagacious, having or showing keen mental discernment and good judgment, shrewd. Example, a sagacious investor makes wise decisions. Now, let's do a quick recap of these powerful words: confident, self-assured, opportunity, a chance, improve, make better, challenge, a task, achieve, reach a goal, focus, concentrate, success, accomplishment, eloquent, persuasive, articulate, clear, persuade, convince, innovate, new ideas, resilience, recover, endeavor, try hard, meticulous, detailed, profound, intense, efficacious, effective, zenith, highest point, paradigm, pattern, ubiquitous, everywhere, conundrum, problem, ephemeral, short-lived, serendipity, happy chance, benevolent, kindly, magnanimous, generous, sagacious, wise. And there you have it, 20 powerful words to enhance your English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, your words are your power. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.